Students, let's solve practice set 1.1 question number 2. The question says that if coordinate of A is x and coordinate of B is y, find the distance of A, B. Okay. Now to find out the distance, we will first write down what coordinates for x, that is A, and for y, that is B, is given. So the value of x is given 1 and y is given 7. But now, as in the question, x is A and y is B. So we'll write that. Coordinate of A is x, that is equal to 1. Coordinate of B is y, that is given as 7. Now we have to find out the distance of the A and B. Now to find out the distance, children, we have the formula, that is larger number minus smaller number. Okay, so first we will find out which is the larger number. Okay, so from this you can see 7 is greater than 1. Okay, so therefore distance of A, B will be equal to 7 minus 1. So your answer is distance of A, B is equal to 6. Therefore 6 is your answer, children. Here you will write larger number minus smaller number. Students, now let us see question number 3. Okay. In question number 3 we have, from the given information find which of the point is between the other two. Okay, if the points are collinear or not, state so. Okay, let's see the first question. In first question, in first question, distance of PR is equal to 7, distance of PQ is equal to 10, and distance of QR is equal to 3. All these values are given. Now we have to check which point is lying in between this P, Q, R, or whatever is the order, you have to find out. Okay. So in this, first what you will do, you will check which is the largest number among the 3 values given. See here 10 is the largest number, so we will keep this as it is and we will add the remaining 2 distances. So here we will add distance of PR and distance of QR. Okay, so distance of PR plus distance of QR. What is the value of PR? 7 plus 3. We have got 10. So distance of PQ here you can see is also 10. So what we came to, what is the conclusion here, that if we add the remaining 2 number we are getting PQ. This means, therefore we can say distance of PR plus distance of QR is equal to distance of PQ. Yes or no? Okay, so therefore we can say points P, Q and R are collinear. Okay, now we have to find out which point lies in between. Okay, which point is lying in between. So always remember whatever is the largest numbers point, no, here 10 is the largest number. What is the point of this? P and Q. So the letter which is remaining, that will lie in between that. Okay, you can draw and check also. See, I will draw and show you. The total distance is 10. So here P and Q. So therefore what is remaining now? R. So R will lie anywhere in between this. No need to draw the diagram. For your understanding, I have shown here. You can directly write down PQ is the largest distance. Yes. So the next point, that is R, will lie in between them. Okay. So you will write here point R lies between P and Q. Okay, that is P dash R dash Q. Okay students, whenever betweenness is there, first see the largest number, keep it as it is, add the remaining two. If that is equal to the largest number, then the points are collinear. If the sum of the remaining two number is not equal to the largest number, then the points are non-collinear. Children, now let us see question number 6. In question number 6, second one. The question is, if RST, R dash S dash T, and length of ST is 3.7, length of RS is 2.5, find RT. Okay, so I will write here length of RS is equal to 2.5, length of ST is equal to 3.7, length of RT is equal to question mark. One more thing is given, that is R dash S dash T. That means on the line first R will lie, then S will come, and after that T will come. Okay, so I'll draw a diagram for you. This is your line. Okay, this is R, S and T. Okay, in this RS is given 2.5, ST is given 3.7. You have to find out RT. Yes, by seeing the figure only you can say the answer, children. See, this is 2.5, this is 3.7. Total is us. Total means what? And just add this two, you will get RT. Okay, when you draw the diagram, it becomes easier to understand. If you just see the question, you may get confused. Where is S, where is T, where is R? From this R dash S dash T, just draw one line, write the names, give the letters to it, measurement, and it becomes very easy to solve. Okay, so therefore now I can write down distance, or you can just write length of RS plus length of ST is equal to length of RT. Now whatever values we have, I will substitute here. Okay, so RS is 2.5 plus ST is also given 3.7, that is equal to length of RT. Okay, so therefore length of RT is equal to 6.2. Okay, so this is your answer.